Hello viewers, this is Gilbert from GRV Solutions. Today I'm gonna show you a very exciting news, and I'm very happy today because today I have reached another milestone on Upwork. I have completed 6,000 hours on Upwork as a freelancer. So it's a very big achievement for me. Although some people already reached 10,000 plus, 20,000 plus hours on Upwork, but they are working for a longer time when it was just audits, maybe since 2011, 12, but I have started end of 2016. Still, some people may think it's low. Of course, low, but for myself, it's a very big achievement because I'm not only working on Upwork, I'm working also on Fiverr, freelancer, and I have outside clients as well that I have been working for and receiving payments through, different type of gateways like Wise, Remitly, Zoom, PayPal, Payoneer, and those are for my from my different sources. Like I have generated those clients from several websites, several links. So that's why I'm very excited because Upwork, for Upwork is a very very good and biggest marketplace all over the world, and people know as a freelancer and freelancing site Upwork is the most popular. That's why I'm very excited that I have completed 6,000 Upwork or 6,000 hours on Upwork, and I'm looking forward to working more hours on Upwork. But I'm very happy today. And you guys, those are started or thinking to start working on Upwork, please have patience and don't be disappointed because for freelancing you have to have that patience on your mind, and you have to be hardworking and eagerly you know have some patience on Upwork if you're willing to work on Upwork, because it has needed like lots of dedication, lots of hard work, lots of unsleep, you know, unsleep night for myself to reach 6,000 hours. So of course you guys can do that, and I'm wishing you all the best. Hopefully you guys can achieve more than that, and more hours, more earnings on Upwork, more success on Upwork. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate those are watching my videos, hitting likes, doing some comments, and supporting me. So and this is gonna inspire me to make more videos for you guys, so that you can be helped as well and get more successes. So thank you so much once more, one more time, and thank you so much for your support all the time. Wish you all the best. Happy freelancing, guys. Have a good evening.